Today, I am reviewing the InnoView Dual portable monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you have ever felt like your laptop screen is just too small to get any real work done, you have probably looked at portable monitors, but most of them are tiny, flimsy, and frankly, a bit disappointing. I have been testing this dual-stacked 23.8-inch setup from InnoView for the past 2 weeks, and while it is definitely not a portable monitor in the traditional sense, it is one of the most interesting ways to turn a cramped desk into a command center. You can check the link below the video if you want to see the current pricing or grab one for yourself, but stick around because there are some specific quirks you need to know before you pull the trigger. The first thing that hits you when you take this thing out of the box is the size. This is not something you're going to toss into a messenger bag to work from a coffee shop. It is heavy, it is wide, and it really functions more like a permanent desktop peripheral that you happen to be able to fold up when you need to clear your desk. Once I got it set up on my workspace, the sheer amount of screen real estate was impressive. Having two 4K panels stacked vertically changes your workflow. I found myself keeping my code or my main editing timeline on the bottom screen and my reference materials, emails, or chat windows on the top. It basically eliminates that annoying habit of constantly alt-tabbing between windows. The image quality is actually quite good for this form factor. With 100% sRGB coverage and a 4K resolution on both panels, the text is razor-sharp and colors pop enough for general creative work. I spent some time editing photos and color grading some video footage, and I didn't feel like I was compromising on visual fidelity compared to my standard desktop monitor. That said, you need to make sure your laptop or desktop actually supports dual 4K output. If your hardware can't handle the bandwidth, you're going to be frustrated, so check your specs before you buy. If you are curious about the technical compatibility with your specific machine, you can find more details in the links below. The build quality is solid, but the hinge mechanism is the real star here. Being able to fold these screens to share content with someone sitting across from you is a cool party trick, though I honestly didn't use the 315-degree flip feature as much as I thought I would. It feels sturdy enough, but with a folding unit this size, you do have to be mindful of the weight. You are not going to be flipping this around constantly throughout the day without a bit of care. Now, let's talk about the downsides, because there are a few. The built-in speakers are, predictably, not great. They get loud enough for a quick YouTube video or a system notification, but for music or any serious media consumption, you're going to want to plug in a real set of speakers or a pair of headphones. Also, because it is a dual-stack setup, the ergonomics can be tricky. If you keep the bottom screen at eye level, the top screen ends up being quite high, which can lead to some neck strain if you are sitting at it for 8 hours straight. You really need to dial in your chair height and desk setup to make this comfortable for long-term use. The biggest disappointment for some will be the marketing around the word portable. If you are a digital nomad looking for a travel display, this is not it. It is too bulky, and the sheer footprint makes it a challenge for smaller desks. However, if you're a remote worker with limited desk space who wants a dual monitor setup that you can tuck away on a weekend, this is a fantastic solution. It turns a dining room table or a small bedroom desk into a professional-grade workstation in seconds. Ultimately, the InnoView dual-stacked monitor is a niche product that nails its specific purpose. It offers a massive, high-resolution workspace without requiring a permanent dual-arm mount or multiple power cables cluttering your desk. It is a premium way to save space, provided you understand that you are trading portability for raw screen real estate. If you want to check the current price or see if it fits your specific setup, there is a link for you below. Just make sure your desk has the depth to handle the stand, and you will likely be very happy with the boost in your daily productivity.